Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen, and may the 4th be with you. Today, we're making a Tatooine Sunset, which is a play on a tequila sunrise. Let's get started. First, we're gonna start with our pomegranate syrup. Next, we're gonna add our ice. Now, let's add that OJ. It's roughly about 5 ounces, give or take. You can add a little bit more, take away, just depending on how you prefer yours. Next, let's add our tequila. The suggested is about 1 to 1.5 ounces, but let that force guide you. For me, the force said a little bit stronger. Next, let's make our floater. To do that, we're gonna add 1 pump of our blue curacao. This blue curacao is gonna help us achieve that really pretty sunset vibes that we see on Tatooine. Next, let's add our gin. It's about 1 ounce to the floater. Let's give it a nice little stir so it all combines. Let's get it added to our glass. Look at those awesome colors. Now we're just gonna give this a really quick stir. Let's enjoy. So good. So you know what I just realized? This is supposed to have a really cool garnish on top that I was just too excited and ignored. So if you wanted to have the illusion of a sunset, you just grab these little orange wedges and set it right on top. Ta-da! But you know, I didn't want that, so we're just gonna continue drinking. Thanks for joining us today in this galaxy far, far away. I hope you have been inspired to make your own Tatooine sunset and enjoy National Star Wars Day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you like any of our recipes, continue to follow us at our social channels at Amoretti. All right, everyone, I'm off to do the Kessel Run. Hopefully I can get it done in 12 parsecs. Catch you next time. May the 4th be with you.